Let me introduce you to number 3 Queen Street, Claremont, an exclusive, leafy, riverside address, a street where all the neighbours know each other and you will absolutely love to live. Tucked away is this stunning, single-level, completely renovated home where the owners have taken so much care to add charm and sophistication. And the charm extends to the outdoor spaces too. There's garden areas where you can have a larger gathering of people, but equally there are intimate spaces that you can enjoy every day. And to top it all off, there's even a putting green. This property truly is a rare find. Your own private haven, so close to everything that you love about Claremont.